Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your savings grew while you slept. No risky investments, no confusing charts, just a simple system quietly stacking your money higher every single month. Now, imagine learning that most people never use this system, even though it can help them earn more interest, stay protected, and finally feel confident about their savings plan. And here is the twist. There is one mistake almost every beginner makes when trying to save money, and it is the reason their accounts barely grow. We will reveal that exact mistake later in this video, so stick around. Let's talk about how a CD ladder can grow your savings faster, safer, and smarter. Number 1. Why CD ladders matter today. If you have ever felt frustrated watching your savings account earn only a few pennies each month, you are not alone. Most savings accounts earn very low interest. That means your money grows slowly, almost painfully slow. But certificates of deposit, also known as CDs, often pay higher interest. The catch is that you have to lock your money for a set time. And that is where most beginners get stuck. They want higher interest, but they also want flexibility. A CD ladder is the system that gives you both. Think of CD ladders like stacking blocks. Each block is a CD with a different maturity date. When one block matures, you can use the money or reinvest it. This structure gives you consistent access to cash while still earning higher interest compared to regular savings accounts. Example, imagine 5 CDs. One matures in 1 year, one in 2 years, one in 3 years, one in 4 years, and one in 5 years. This means every year, one CD matures and unlocks your money with interest. So you get a payout every year without giving up long-term growth. That is the power of a CD ladder. Number 2, how a CD ladder works step by step. Let's break this down so clearly that even a complete beginner can set it up today. Step 1, decide how much money you want to invest. You can start small. Some banks allow CDs with as little as $500. Step 2, divide your money into equal parts. If you have $5,000 and you want a 5-rung ladder, break it into 5 parts of $1,000 each. Step 3, choose different CD terms. For example, you can choose 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and 5 years. Step 4, open the CDs with your bank. Your 1-year CD will mature first. Step 5, when the first CD matures, you take the money plus interest and you decide, do you need the money now or do you reinvest it into a new 5-year CD to keep the ladder growing? Every year, one CD matures like clockwork. Example, let's say your 1-year CD matures in January. Now you have $1,000 plus interest available. You could use it to fix your car, or you could reinvest it for even higher long-term interest. Every year works the same. This routine helps your savings grow predictably. Number 3, why CD ladders are perfect for beginners. Beginners love CD ladders for a simple reason. They're low stress. You don't have to watch the stock market, you don't need special knowledge, you don't take big risks, and you don't lose sleep. You're locking in guaranteed returns, you're avoiding emotional decisions, and you're building healthy saving habits. Example, imagine Sarah, a beginner saver. She's scared of losing money in the stock market. She sets up a 3-year CD ladder with 3 different terms. Suddenly, she can breathe easier. She knows exactly when her CDs mature. She knows exactly how much interest she'll earn. And she knows her savings are protected by FDIC insurance. A CD ladder helps beginners feel in control. Number 4, the secret benefit no one talks about. Here's something most people never realize. CD ladders protect you from the number 1 mistake beginners make. What's the mistake? Locking all their money into one long-term CD. This sounds smart until life happens. When money is locked for too long, beginners panic and pay penalties to break the CD early. Those penalties can wipe out months of interest. A CD ladder prevents that. You always have a CD maturing soon. You always have access to cash. You avoid early withdrawal fees. Example: if you put $10,000 into a 5-year CD and suddenly need $2,000 for an emergency, you would have to break the whole CD and pay penalties. That hurts. But if you had a 5-rung CD ladder, you could use the CD maturing that year and avoid penalties completely. This is the hidden superpower of CD ladders. Number 5. How a CD ladder can earn more money over time. Most beginners ignore long-term growth because it feels slow. But a ladder grows more like a snowball. It gets stronger every year. When your short-term CDs mature, you can reinvest their money into longer-term CDs with higher rates. Your average interest rate goes up, and soon your ladder holds several high-interest CDs. That means more compound growth. Example: imagine you start with 5 CDs earning 3%. After 1 year, you reinvest your 1-year CD into a new 5-year CD that pays 5%. Now your ladder is upgrading itself. As each short CD matures, you recycle it into a longer-term, higher-paying CD. Over time, your whole ladder becomes a high-interest machine. This is how your money starts working harder for you.
Number 6. How to choose the right bank for your CD ladder. Not all banks pay the same interest. Some pay very low rates. Others pay much higher. You can choose between online banks or local banks. Online banks often pay higher rates because they have lower costs. Local banks may offer more personal service. What should you look for? Look for high interest rates. Look for low early withdrawal penalties. Look for FDIC insurance. Look for flexible terms. Example: if Bank A offers a 5-year CD at 3% and Bank B offers it at 5%, Bank B will grow your money much faster. It may not seem like much now, but a 2% difference over 5 years can make a big impact on long-term savings. Number 7. Short-term ladder or long-term ladder? There are 2 main types of CD ladders: short-term ladders, long-term ladders. A short-term ladder uses CDs from 3 months to 1 year. A long-term ladder uses CDs from 1 year to 5 years or even longer. Short-term ladders give you more access to cash. Long-term ladders give you higher interest because longer CDs pay more. Which is better? It depends on your goals. If you want faster access to cash, choose short-term. If you want more growth and do not need the money soon, choose long-term. Example: if you're saving for a down payment you need next year, use a short-term ladder. If you want to grow savings for your future home that is 5 years away, use a long-term ladder. Both can work well. Number 8. Who should use a CD ladder? CD ladders are great for beginners. They are also great for people who want safety. They are great for people tired of risky investments. They are great for people who want predictable growth. They are great for people building emergency funds. They are great for people who want to save without stress. Example: Michael worries about the stock market going up and down. He wants his money to be safe. He sets up a CD ladder with 4 different terms. Now he knows exactly when each CD matures. He feels calm. And his savings grow every year without him doing anything. Number 10. The best strategy to keep your ladder growing. Here is a powerful strategy beginners often miss. When each CD matures, reinvest it into the longest term of your ladder. This keeps your ladder strong. It increases the average interest rate, and it helps your savings grow faster over time. Example: if your ladder has 5 CDs from 1 year to 5 years, When the 1-year CD matures, reinvest it into a new 5-year CD. Now your ladder always stays complete. You always have one CD maturing each year, and you always earn the best rates. This simple strategy is the key to long-term growth. Number 11. The biggest mistake beginners make with CD ladders. Earlier, we talked about a mistake almost every beginner makes. Let's reveal it now. The mistake is putting all their money into one CD. One term, one rate, one maturity date, no flexibility, no ladder, no steady access to cash, no protection from emergencies. This mistake can cost beginners hundreds of dollars in penalties. It can also delay their savings goals. A CD ladder solves this mistake by spreading out your money. You protect yourself. You keep access to cash. You avoid messy penalties. You grow your money steadily. Example: Jennifer put her whole savings into a 3-year CD. 1 year later, her car broke down. To get her money, she had to break the entire CD. She paid penalties, she lost interest, she felt frustrated. If she had used a CD ladder, one CD would have matured that year, and she could have used it without paying any penalties. This is why CD ladders are so valuable. They protect you from the real world. They protect you from emergencies, and they help your money grow without stress. Number 12. How CD ladders protect you from interest rate changes. Interest rates rise and fall all the time. That can be confusing for beginners because locking money in at the wrong time can feel scary. A CD ladder protects you from this because you're not committing all your money at one rate. Some CDs will mature during high-rate periods. Some will mature during low-rate periods. But over time, your ladder averages everything out. This protects you from bad timing. Example: if rates jump next year, your 1-year CD will mature and you can reinvest it at the new, higher rate. You do not have to wait 5 years to benefit. Your ladder adjusts automatically.
Number 13. How CD ladders add financial discipline without stress. Many beginners want to save money but struggle with consistency. A CD ladder creates structure for you. Once you put money into the ladder, you cannot spend it impulsively. The system saves you from yourself. It builds discipline without pressure. Example: if you put $1,000 into a 5-rung ladder, you know that money is locked in for a purpose. You no longer feel tempted to spend it on things you do not need. When each CD matures, you make one small decision instead of many tiny emotional decisions. This keeps beginners on track. Number 14. How a CD ladder can support long-term goals without risk. If you have big goals like buying a car, paying for a wedding, or planning a move, you want your money to grow without risk. A CD ladder fits perfectly. You get growth, you get a clear timeline, and you get zero exposure to market losses. Example: if your goal is 3 years away, you can build a 3-rung ladder with 1-year, 2-year, and 3-year CDs. Each year gives you one chunk of money. Your goal becomes easier and more predictable. Number 15. How a CD ladder helps you avoid emotional money decisions. Money can make people emotional. Fear makes people pull money out too soon. Greed makes people chase risky investments. Confusion makes people do nothing. A CD ladder removes these emotions. It gives you structure. It gives you clarity. It gives you a plan. Example: when you know your CDs unlock on specific dates, you stop worrying. Your decisions become simple. You stay calm, you stay focused, and your money grows steadily. Number 18. Why a CD ladder is better than letting cash sit in checking accounts. Many beginners leave large amounts of money in their checking accounts earning nothing. That slows down financial progress. A CD ladder moves that money into a structured system. You earn interest, you stay safe, and you keep access to your cash when CDs mature. Example: if you have $5,000 sitting and checking, moving it into a CD ladder could earn you hundreds of dollars in interest over a few years instead of almost nothing. This small change makes a big difference. Number 19. Why a CD ladder helps you stay ahead of inflation more than basic savings accounts. Inflation makes everything more expensive over time. If your money is growing slowly, inflation can eat away its value. CD ladders usually offer higher interest than typical savings accounts. That helps your money keep up with rising prices. Example: if a regular savings account pays 1%, but a ladder averages 4%, your money grows faster and keeps more of its value in the future. This protects your purchasing power. Number 20. How a CD ladder helps you build confidence with money. Many beginners feel overwhelmed by personal finance. They don't know where to start. They are afraid of making mistakes. A CD ladder is simple, safe, and structured. It helps beginners feel smart and capable. Example: when you set up a ladder and watch your money grow, you start feeling more confident. You see progress, you learn better habits, and you feel more in control of your future. This brings us to the end. A CD ladder is simple. It is safe, it is flexible, and it helps beginners grow their savings without worrying about the market or losing money. The real question is this: if you could grow your savings in a predictable and stress-free way, what part of a CD ladder would you try first?